Trinchev, Gillespie Fergus ar y show, cos ar cwtioch go fuaman agus Falkland beer lahort as a Gaelic acco. Gillespie here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. And as you can see, it's beautiful here. How do we express that in Gaelic? It's beautiful. What I hear very often is not terribly beautiful. Ha-i bria. Ha-i bria. How do we fix this? There's a number of things. First of all, the flow of Gaelic. Verb, pronoun, they have to join hands. So it's not ha-i, it's hai. Hai. And the word for beautiful is quite tricky. It's got a diphthong and it slides up very gently without being long anywhere. So it's hai bdia. Hai bdia. So it's not bdia, bdia, it's bdia. Hai bdia. Now you can use that slender R sound at the beginning, which is like a voiced TH up here, bdia, or as many native speakers do, you can have a broad R as well. Hai bria. But as long as you get the right flavor to that sound. It's unusual in that it ends with an open vowel, bria. That's very unusual in Gaelic because of the initial stress. So I think that maybe catches some learners out. So have a go at that. Hai bdia. Shela bdia haun. For more tips on how to speak authentic Gaelic and get rid of English words and sounds, subscribe to my channel.